Zdravo, Tina.
Ja.
Še ena zmaga letos in praktično si že zmagovalka serije. Kakšen je bil tale tvoj vikend na Dolenjskem?
Ja, overall je bil vikend kar super. Sicer s kakšno vožnjo nisem najbolj zadovoljna, ampak konec dneva mislim, da je bilo kar v redu.
Kakšni so še letos plani, poleg parade na finalu v Grožnjanu?
Imam še namen iti na kakšen DH, mislim, da je ostal samo še Sljeme sicer. Ampak ja, to je pa to.
Potem pa črta pod sezono 2024.
Ja.
Hvala lepa in se vidimo še letos. So congratulations, how was your weekend here at SloEnduro?
It's hard to put it into words. I really enjoyed it. It's been an amazing weekend out here. I've met so many good people and yeah, the trails are really amazing. I'd actually really like to head out and ride the trails again. So it's been an absolutely phenomenal weekend. Thank you.
Sorry for not having Vit Peršak around, so you would have some nice competition?
Yeah, competition is always good. You know, I'm really pleased to have managed to get the result that I did. I had a very clean day. So yeah, the result is amazing, but I look forward to some more competition next time. Make me work harder.
Thank you. Hopefully see you again on SloEnduro.
For sure. Thank you.